Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we gonna do unboxing. So I have another box of Micheal Kors, so let's see what is inside, guys. And actually this one I ordered two in one time, but they come one by one. So let's see what is this one, because this one is one of the gift for my friend. Hopefully this is the one that I'm expecting for. So come on guys, let's open this one. Run guys, I love the box of Micheal Kors. This is how the way they wrap it. As long as you click the gift, when you check it out, and they gonna wrap it nicely with the ribbons. So oh, this is the one also, guys. It look like as the same size the first one that I unboxing last week ago. So let's see. And oh wow, this is the black color. What, look at that. It's so nice. I love it. And let's see what is inside. Oh, here's the another one. I believe this one is slim. And there's another one. And this is the authentication. So it's similar the last one that I unboxed. So let's cut it off this one. There we go. So this is the one, guys. It's the same, and but this one is a silver color. So let's take it out this, and there's the authentication number here. You can barely see it, but when you buy it, and you have to look that number so that it's can authenticate that is a real one. Guys, if you order this, click the link in my YouTube channel at Lotus Vlog 57, but soon it's gonna be Lotus Travels and Lifestyle. So this is how the way it's look like, guys. So this is the black color version. The other one that I unboxing before is a peach color. And here's for the shoulder bag. So let's try to pour it. So this is gonna be like this for shoulder bag, or you can also do it handbag. And here's the sling, guys. So it's a black color, so let's try how the way it's look like. is how the weights look like, guys. I love it. It's so cute. Hopefully my phone, as long as my phone fit here, I'm fine. And it's look like I even want to keep it. But this is for the gift. So let's see, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like it my video. See you soon. By the way, guys, every Wednesday I always promote my channel. My channel is Lotus Vlog 57, but soon is gonna be Lotus Travels and Lifestyles. So by the way, guys, every Monday is about food, restaurant, whatever the food that we cook here in our house, because we cook only once a week due to busy schedule. And Wednesday is about unboxing, shopping, and collection in my closet. Every Friday is about travels, adventures, hotels, restaurant, and concert. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like it my video. See you soon.